at 9 with Rebecca Thomas and Mike Warren.
It was the surprise of a lifetime for one Georgetown teenager. 16-year-old Daniel Alcantara Lopez lost his parents at a young age.
All he had to remember them by was his father's pickup truck, which had been out of service for years. But the community has stepped in to help. Fox 7 Austin's Bridget Spencer with that story tonight.
To Daniel Alcantara Lopez, his dad's truck was more than just steel and aluminum.
I just remember just me and my dad just going to our favorite little corner store, and then I'll be in the passenger seat with him. He playing his CDs and the music he had back in like the early 2000s. It was a good time, just listening to T-Pain and all them, Lil Wayne.
Tragically, in 2011, both of Daniel's parents were killed in Florida. The only thing left to remember them by was his dad's truck. But once it was later involved in a wreck, it was put out of service.
Just one time, the motor just didn't want to start. It just wasn't working. So they put it to the shop, and it had just been there for 3 years.
Over the last 3 years, Daniel says he's been saving money to get the truck repaired. On Friday, what the aspiring mechanic thought was a visit to the Caliber collision shop for a tour turned into the surprise of a lifetime. With the help of donors, technicians at the Caliber Collision handed Daniel the keys to his dad's truck, restored to like-new condition.
I felt like I was 7 years old again. It was amazing just starting it up. I remember when my dad first started it up. It just felt nice, just hearing it.
I knew he wasn't going to expect it, because as soon as he walked in, he just pointed at me like, "What are you doing here?"
When it was presented to us, it was a no-brainer that, yes, immediately we want to get involved, we want to give back. So the truck was in pretty rough shape. It actually came here to us without even an engine.
Since his parents' untimely death, life has been challenging for Daniel and his siblings. Now, with their dad's truck back in service, he can continue to reflect on childhood memories, with the truck looking how it did when he was little.
Also,
In Georgetown.